Place doesn't have many windows, so smoke should be effective. I want a 3-man team going in here and another here. Snipers, here and here.
Looks like Stoddard's got it all under control.
Fuck that. We had him first.
Nick? You want to make sure it's locked first, Hotshot?
Huh.
Finally catch a break.
Shots fired!
Stoddard, we're going in.
The fuck you are?
See if your boys can take some heat off of us.
Right there! Oh, shit! Oh, man! Stand down!
We got this, Sergeant.
God damn it, this is not...
I said we got this!
Ty, what the hell are you doing?
Stoddard, back off!
All units, please stand by, relay further details.
Floor's clear!
Get upstairs!
You better know what you're doing, Mendoza.
Be advised, we have backup en route.
Shoot him! Alright, let's take the fuckers out!
Over there! Yeah!
Hi, we're clear.
Nelson's in here! Let's move on!
Guy, you find anything?
We're on the back floor! Nothing yet!
Securing perimeter. We'll have breach in position momentarily. In position to breach the front door. Everything's ready. Let's knock on that front door.
Nels, put the gun down, now!
Whoa, whoa, I took the deal. You, Stoddard, take it all. I'm out of here.
Put the piece down. Then we can talk about Stoddard, this deal, whatever else you want. What the hell was that, Stoddard?
Looks like I just saved your life, Mendoza.
He was surrendering.
Leave it alone, partner.
I say you were in danger.
Right. He was dangerous because he was talking about your deal.
Leave it alone,
The
Nick.
hell I will.
No, I'm curious. What, did Nell say something interesting, Nick?
We're done here.
Listen to your partner. She's a smart lady. Here, before evidence arrives.
You're kidding.
There you go, Nick. Congrats on a job well done.
Smart lady. Now I see why.